Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can make an account on Crunchyroll. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the Crunchyroll app. After the home page of the Crunchyroll app opens up on your device, you'll see three buttons: create account, login and browse Crunchyroll. So for you to create an account, you'll simply have to press on the create account option. After you click on the create account button, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in your email address here, your password here, and then click on the create account button. Once you click on the create account button, and if you have filled in those credentials correctly, an account for you on the Crunchyroll app will be automatically created. I hope this video helped you to create an account on the Crunchyroll app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.